The radical rabbit hole. A place no one dares to go, for no one knows how deep it really is. It's a question we're all dying to find out.
Murdabad! Murdabad! Murdabad!
Yasir al-habib, you Jahannam ka kutta! You dog of Jahannam!
And there will be outcomes from your actions. You will have repercussions for your actions. We have been trained from birth that we must...
And we'll see. I don't promise victory, but I promise I'll be there, and I will provide a maximum level of legal violence.
I come here to watch film. What's wrong?
You come to watch a film?
Yeah.
That's our chaste mother?
Yeah. Why?
Which is against our mother?
Anyone against you? Stop it.
هذا العتب يجي مع محبة. هذا العتب لجبهة النصرة بالخارج ولدولة العراق والشام الإسلامية في الخارج. ونحن ما لنا نصارى وما لنا شيعة لحتى نخاف من الحزام بالسيارة مفخخة.
If something happens and something bad happens and something out or against the law happens, then we are not responsible. We are not responsible. Shia kafir! Shia kafir! Shia kafir! Is a kafir! Is a mulhid! Is a Shia
Say one thing, because I have been to Afghanistan in the last 6 months, twice, and I've spent over a month in Afghanistan. And I can tell you, brothers and sisters, and non-Muslims listening, the Taliban are not the same as ISIS.
How deep does this rabbit hole go? Well, there's only one way to find out.